Alright. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible because it looks like it's freaking gonna rain. So, I'm gonna do a startup video on my air conditioner. First, I gotta grab a ziplock baggie to cover up the camera so it don't get rained on if it rains. I'm gonna have to crank it all the way down, which I really don't want to. I just need a bag to chuck over it. Try to do this as quick as possible. The video, if I don't get to it, is titled Goodman Heat Pump Startup Video. Alright, let me try to do this. Let me set the camera up and everything. It's starting to freaking rain. Okay. Excuse me just a second. Okay, be right back. Alright, I hope you've heard that. Alright, thanks for watching.